Hi guys, so today I'm going to create different DIY hairstyles that you can create with this crochet bow. So let's begin. For the first hairstyle, we are going to do a center parting and then do the princess hairstyle. It means we have to create twist on both the ends. So we take hair, we twist. Again we take a little hair and we twist. We continue doing this till we reach our eyebrows. And then completely twist it and secure it with a hairpin. We'll do this on the other side as well and look something like this. Then we simply take the bow clip and attach it in the center. So look what we just created, a pretty hairstyle, isn't it? For the second one also, we're going to let the twist be and going to make lower bun. For that you need to twist, turn, twist and then turn. Secure the same with the rubber band or elastic band and then use the pretty little bow right above the bun. Try and place it in the center and see, you'll have another pretty look. Now for the next look also you have to make a bun, but this time we do not have any twist. We're going to create a messy casual look. So we're going to tie the bun as high as possible and then turn, twist, turn, twist. I love this method and very simple to make a bun. So this time you secure the bun a little loose and then maybe just let your fringes down if you have. I think it's fine. And just below your high bun you got to put the bow. Try and place it in the center as possible. And you see you have a casual look for the summer. For the next look, we're going to tie a normal high pony. So just go and do your high pony and take this bow and secure it on top of your rubber band. A little higher. The higher the rubber band, the higher is your bow and the cuter is your look. So the last look is going to be very simple. What you're going to do is brush your hair towards one side, just twist it, give it a little puff look and then secure it with the tic tac. And then take the bow and place it right there. See, you have another look, simple and nice. So now I also have this pet bow. I don't really have a pet right now, but I have this cute little Tom that I have borrowed from my neighbor. Now you can go get these bows to end with your pets, have fun. I hope you like the video. Do like, share and subscribe.